Basically, yeah, just matte filled titty. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we reached 200 subscribers and I just want to say a big thank you to you all. In addition, I am planning on doing a giveaway. However, I'm gonna wait for the coronavirus to calm down. So until then, definitely keep your eye out for it. I'm hoping that it will be possible to do it in April, but if not, at the latest May. So anyway, let's get on with the video for today. So today I'm gonna be swatching MAC lipsticks. And I have two of these. Can we just take a moment to say how cute this little one is? These are my first MAC products that I bought. And while I was searching online, I realized that there wasn't a lot of swatches or reviews for people who are Asian. Not that we have like specific, special skin. Since I already bought these, I might as well just swatch them for you so that if you're wondering how it looks like, you can have a better idea of what it is, how it smells like, things like that. So hopefully you find it helpful, and yeah, let's get on with the swatches. So let's start with this one right here. This is the Sultry Move shade. It is a powder kiss lipstick, and from my understanding what that means is that it kind of gives you that like you just finished kissing someone look, I guess, or that kind of blurred look. I was watching a video where they were blending out the edges here so it looks blurred. It's kind of like a deep rose brown color. I've already used it, so this won't be a first impression. So the smell is quite strong. It smells like vanilla. So if you're sensitive to smell, then you might have to reconsider, I don't know. But that's just something to keep in mind. We're gonna go ahead and try this on our lips. Before I apply this, I just want to say that I have medium beige skin tone. It is quite moisturizing, and as you can see, it is buildable. It almost gives you that look like your natural lip color, so that's something that I really like about this color. Next one is Velvet Teddy. Basically, yeah, just matte Velvet Teddy. Next one is Velvet Teddy. I got the smaller version just because I wasn't really sure if I was gonna like this color or not, but a lot of people said that this is like a neutral color, so I thought I would try it out. And my sister recommended it, so why not? We're gonna go ahead and swatch. So this right here is Sultry, what is it called? So this is the Sultry Move Powder Kiss one, and this is the Matte Velvet Teddy. This has more brown tones in it. This one has more pink tones in it. Let's find out how it looks like. This is how Velvet Teddy looks like. It does give that very everyday, effortless lip color look. This one is also moisturizing. So this one does have a bit of the vanilla smell to it. I'm not sure if it's not as strong because it's smaller, and less product. But there is some smelled scent to it. So that is my review of these two products today. Don't forget that I will also be doing a giveaway, but that would be later, hopefully in April. So that is all that I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.